Hey friends, if you wish to fix 0x000001F4 Microsoft Store error code in the right way, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to use a different internet connection, but first of all, check the internet connection. So open any browser and go to fast.com. Hit enter. Check if the internet speed is good enough, and if it is not, then try using a different connection. For example, if you are using the 2.4G network, connect to the 5G network. Then you can reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store. The next solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store app. Now we have a command for it, and I'll show you the command. Okay, so we can pick this command. I will share it in the description section of the video. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste the command here and hit enter. Okay, the command is this one. It will re-register the Microsoft Store. Okay, I'll show it separately. So this is the command. Okay, the one from get to the end. I'll share it in the description section of the video. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.